Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer scanned documents using Adobe Scan to tax folders step by step clearly. Open the Adobe Scan app on your mobile device. Ensure you have scanned documents saved in the app. Select the document you wish to transfer to your tax folder. Tap on the share icon, usually located in the upper right corner. Choose the option to save or export the document. Select the PDF format if prompted. Choose a cloud storage option, such as Google Drive or Dropbox, for transferring the file. Log into your chosen cloud storage account if necessary. Navigate to the desired tax folder where you want to save the document. Tap on the Upload or Save option to transfer your document. Verify that the document is now present in your tax folder. Repeat the process for any additional scanned documents. You can now access your scanned tax documents easily from your preferred cloud storage. Ensure your cloud storage is organized for easy retrieval come tax season. Review your scanned documents for accuracy before finalizing your tax submissions. Remember to keep backups of important documents in different locations. Congratulations, your scanned documents are now safely transferred to your tax folders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.